Tama. Para na. Agay!
So guys, that time mulberry. If you know this, church. Diyan mo kailanin ba? Mulberry. Sa pa ni, eh. Adi good. Bird pass imong naong. Basta kay mulberry na siya guys. Mulberry. We also have tubo here, tubo. Saging. Ori saging, ori bunga. Kani dira guys, oh, saging. Saging nga tindok, murag octopus. Ito pa jud guys. Ngit-ngit na kay ngit-ngit man dali malamang. Basta mo na siya. And then we also have avocado. Duha rin na siya kapunuan guys, avocado. And also we have pineapples here. It's from Bukidnon, cherries. Namunga na siya after 2 years. Namunga na siya, so thank you Lord. And then naapod mi bagong tanom nga kamanting dere guys. Diyan ayan oh. Yan. And then we also have gabi. Wait. Then naapod mi mangga guys. I don't know unsa na siya nga mangga.
This here. And the other one is there.
Yeah, and also saging. Dili na amo.
Over there.
Kanira day amo guys. So kana. Napod mi gabihan. Ayun oh, bagong tanom ni Papa. Gabi, saging. Guys, this is the one. Gitngita na po diri oy. Ayan oh, tindok na siya guys.
The other